Did you just wake up to see Bitcoin smashing through $78,000? Imagine that. This isn't a dream, it's reality. And it all happened because of one small move from Iran, the Strait of Hormuz opening up again for business. Now oil prices have tanked by 11%, hitting their lowest since this conflict started back in February. Think about how interconnected everything is today. When you hear news like that, your mind races. What does it mean? What will happen next? Today's market is a roller coaster of excitement and possibility, especially for those who are following the crypto world closely. Let's break this down bit by bit. Iran declaring the strait open again means oil supplies can flow freely once more. This strait carries about 20% of the world's oil supply. So when it opens up, you see a massive shift in how much oil is available on the market. And when there's plenty of something that was previously limited, its price drops, and drop it did by an impressive 11%. This brings us to Bitcoin. The correlation between Bitcoin and traditional markets can sometimes be baffling, but what we see today makes a lot more sense with everything considered. The oil market is volatile. When it crashes, people look for safe havens. Traditionally, gold has been one of those choices, but in our new digital world, the safe haven of choice increasingly looks like Bitcoin. So here's where things get interesting. When you see a financial giant like Iran making such a significant move and oil prices dropping so dramatically, it signals a shift. It shows that stability is returning to some markets, but uncertainty still looms large in others. And that's why people turn to Bitcoin as an asset class that isn't tied directly to these geopolitical events. The fact that Bitcoin has surged past $78,000 in the wake of this news might seem like a random coincidence at first glance. But it's not just about oil prices. It's about how investors perceive risk and reward in today's market conditions. And remember, when something as critical as the Strait of Hormuz opens up, it shakes markets worldwide. It changes everything from trade routes to global politics. And as a result, we see crypto assets like Bitcoin becoming even more attractive for those who are looking to hedge against traditional economic risks. So what does this mean for you? It means staying vigilant and keeping your eye on the news that affects both traditional markets and cryptocurrencies. It's about being aware of how these shifts can impact asset values, especially when it comes to Bitcoin. The market is dynamic, it changes quickly, and so should your perspective. Bitcoin isn't just a digital currency anymore. Today, it's looking more like digital gold for many investors. As we move forward, keep an eye on how geopolitics and traditional markets intersect with the crypto world. Stay informed, stay sharp, and never miss these big moments in market history. As always, this is not financial advice. This channel is about education and sharing insights that can help you understand the market better. Now it's up to you to decide what moves you make based on this information. Remember to do your own research before making any investment decisions.